Hey everyone! If you want to earn some extra income with Pocket Option, joining their referral program is a great way to do it. First, head over to the official Pocket Option website and find the affiliate section. Here, you'll need to fill out the registration form with your details to sign up for the referral program. Once you're registered, log into the affiliate portal to access your personal dashboard. This dashboard is your hub for everything related to referrals. You'll find your unique Pocket Option referral link and referral code there. Don't worry about creating these yourself. They're automatically generated for you and can be copied with just one click. From your dashboard, you can start sharing your link and code to promote Pocket Option. The platform also offers referral bonuses from time to time, which can help increase your earnings by encouraging more users to sign up through your link. You can share your referral link on social media, email newsletters, or even your own website to reach a wider audience and maximize your potential income. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any tips on Pocket Option, trading strategies, or ways to boost your affiliate earnings.